guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy hairstyle that you can rock in different ways. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel, my Diana brush, my water bottle, and my scrunchies, guys, okay? So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair on the top right there. This is just the base, guys, because I want to have like a top bun. Okay, so I'm just starting with my Eco Styling Gel, and then I'm going to take my water just to make sure my hair is nice and manageable. And then I'll be adding some gel, and then I'll go in sections, guys. That way it's easier for my hair to sleek better. Okay, so if you guys have like thicker hair like mine, this is a better way to do it. Just make sure you're adding gel in little sections as you go along, guys, and your hair is going to sleek better and it looks really nice. But also it dries without giving you that little crusty stuff, okay? And it doesn't look bulky at all if you do go in sections, guys. I want to give you some options, you know, to be able to rock your hair, your natural hair in different styles, you know, just to spice up some easy, cute styles that you can just rock on a daily. You don't have to do much, 5 minutes you are out there doing. So I'm just going to be doing a repeat, guys, adding some water, Eco Styling Gel, and my brush. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Alright guys, now that I'm done sleeking my hair down, I'm just going to take my edge brush that I got from Amazon, and then using the same Eco Styling Gel, I'm just going to lay my edges down. You know what it is by now, okay? I'm going to take my styling strips, you know, just to make sure my hair lays all the way down or whatever. And then using my bougie red scarf, sis, okay? And I will make sure this lays all the way down. I'm going to be using 1 pack of X-pression hair right now. This is in color 1B, so this is the regular 84-inch X-pression hair. And then I'm going to just take it out of the pack, and then I'm going to section it into 2. So I'm just going to use one of the halves right now. So I'm just securing the scrunchie on the braiding hair. And I'm taking my styling strip again just to make sure my hair doesn't get messed up, guys, okay? So I'm just gonna place the hair on my head just the way I'm doing right there, taking my detangling brush just to brush it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna start twisting the hair, guys, making this into a top knot bun, okay? If your hair is messed up, you're just going to take a detangling brush and, you know, just brush it down as you go along. So now I'm going to take out my styling strip and then just go around and make this into a nice little twisted top knot bun. Okay, sis. And then I'm just going to take the remaining of the hair and, you know, tuck it in and then use a bobby pin to secure it. I'm going to be using these gold earrings. These are called the goldies. Voila, baby. This twisted knot bun came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am loving this twisted knot bun. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. I'm just going to combine the hair, you know, both sections of the hair that I separated, taking half of the X-pression hair, securing it on the scrunchie, and then I'll take a full pack of the X-pression hair and then secure it on another scrunchie and place it on my head, sis. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to section the hair into 3, just the way I'm doing right there, and then I'm just going to braid it down just like a normal braid, guys. So just a normal braid, braid it all the way down. other one as well, but this one is the half, guys. When I'm done braiding, I'm just going to start making this into a bun. So the big one is going to be made into a bun, just going around just the way I'm doing right there. Nothing serious, nothing fancy. Try to make this into a nice, you know, bun. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to tuck it in and, you know, secure it with some bobby pins. Like a braided bun, sis. So you're just gonna go around on the bun that you made and then tuck it in and, you know, just secure it with some bobby pins. And you know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. These accessories took the style all the way to 100. I am loving this little cute style here, sis. Style number 2 came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. And then off to style number 3. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of the X-pression hair, place a scrunchie on it, and then place it on my head. Separate the hair into 2, just the way I'm doing right there. Separate the hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down, sis. So I wanted this to go all the way to my shoulders. Just gonna take a rubber band and then I'll secure it, guys. Just gonna cut the excess hair, the remaining of the hair right there, and just make sure it's nice and secure. I'll be using this hair. This is the natural hair bun. I'll use my Garnier Shine just to make sure my hair is nice and shiny. Using my Afro comb to comb it out to make sure this is nice and realistic. This hair has 2 combs inside and it has a drawstring, so I'm just gonna take one of the combs, place it on my head, use the drawstring to secure it. And then I'm just gonna go around on my hair right there and then just secure the drawstring inside using my Afro comb to make sure my hair is nice and calm, and use my hands to adjust it. And you know me, I gotta accessorize because I'm the queen, sis. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these little gold accessories. I added 7 on each side, and baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling this natural hair kind of situation going on, sis, because I am in love, okay? I am feeling this look as well. I just added 7 gold accessories on each side, and this style came all the way through. I was like, sis, let me try another braided situation with the same 2 braids on the side. So I just took the braid that I already had on the side and I just, you know, placed it on my head and then started going around making this into a bun. And then I took 1/2 of the hair again that was braided on the side, and then I'm just gonna tuck it in the front and go around on the braid itself. I just want it to be like a really nice bun coming to my forehead. That's about it. Use some bobby pins to secure it, and sis, when I tell you this style came through as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are rocking with this style, if you guys are gonna be trying this. Using this jumbo braiding hair, this KANEKALON jumbo braiding hair. I'm actually using 1 pack, guys, okay? So I'm just gonna take it out of the pack, secure a scrunchie on it, and then I'm just gonna secure it on my head. I'm just using my scarf again just to make sure, you know, my hair does not get messed up while I'm doing all this. I'm going to separate the hair into 2, and then I'm going to separate the hair into 2 again, and I'll just start twisting it all the way down. Once I get to the bottom right there, I'm just gonna take my little, you know, rubber band and secure the end. That way it does not unravel. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm gonna be using this donut, guys. This is the little donut, okay? And this, comparing to the big one, this is the little one. And I'm just gonna take my twist and place them in the donut and secure it on my head. Exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, guys. Once I'm done securing it on my head, I'm just going to start going round with the twist. All these styles that I'm doing right here are very easy. I want everybody to be able to rock these styles and look cute in the streets, sis. then I'll take the other one, start going around the other way, the opposite direction. That way it's really nice and full on both sides, guys. And then I'll start securing with some bobby pins, exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, guys. And then once I get to the top right there, I'm just going to fold it and tuck it in. My scissors and cut away all the flyaways. And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes! Sleek down and you are out the door. Okay, sis. We're still gonna be using the same donut. Okay, so we're using this hairpiece that I got from Amazon. This hairpiece has a comb inside and a drawstring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place the donut on my head and then secure it with some bobby pins so that it's nice and secure. It's not gonna fall off on us or anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna take hairpiece, take the comb and just place it behind the donut right there so that it's nice and secure. And then I'm just gonna take the string and, you know, just make sure it's nice and snug. And, you know, I gotta go around with the string just to make sure it's nice and secure, of course. And then I'll just tuck it in and use a bobby pin to secure it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and then place it on the top right there. So it's gonna be holding the hair and the donut together, sis. That's why you gotta have the donut really nice and secure on the bottom right there. So I'm gonna take a little piece from the side right there and go around with it just to make sure it's really nice and snug, sis. And then I'll take the other piece as well and go on the top right there. And then you're just gonna secure it. And then I'm just gonna start cutting it just to make sure it's nice and framing my face, sis. I just wanted to rock this hairstyle in a bang, sis, and baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style right here. Let me know if you guys are gonna be trying this. Let me know if you guys are loving it in the comments below. And you know me, I gotta accessorize this hair as well, so I'm just gonna be using this hottest silk scarf from our website as well. Just gonna fold it and then place it on my head exactly the way I'm doing, and you know, just secure the rest in the back. This style is so cute. You can rock it without the scarf, and you can rock it also with the scarf just to turn it up a notch, honey. Okay? And baby, when I tell you I am feeling this style right here, I am loving this style. You know, I wanted to have like nice bang, like, you know, I got some natural hair and I just had like a twist out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to your girl. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.